Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this short tutorial I will show you how to blur your background in your photos and videos. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is on the left here choose a magic wand tool, and from here you can choose different ways to choose your background. So as you can see, I've got a photo of a old TV on the road. So what I wanted to make sure here is I want to make sure that the TV is in focus so that it's seen properly, so that it's sharp and just well seen. To make sure you do that, you need to choose, of course, select the background that you don't want to be making an accent on. So for example, let's say our TV and the road will have the accent, and all of the background, like say the house is here, the car, all of it is going to be blurred. So you can either choose a magic wand tool, which will help you to select the background quickly, or you can just make a quick selection. For example, just press on here and you can just start selecting the background. You can also choose size of your brush in pixels that we'll be choosing. As you can see, I have clicked and it's already choosing my background. As you can see, this where there's like this line, white line, this means that you've chosen the background. So from here you can select as precisely as you want, and after you've done, you're just going to filter, blur, and Gaussian blur, and as you can see, now it's blurred. I could also actually have chosen, say, the road, for example. As you can see, it didn't choose the objects to blur properly, so you want to make that a bit better. So thank you guys for watching. Press the like button and I will see you in the next video.